Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Einstein GPT in Salesforce or the generative AI of Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to set it up. And basically to do so, you will have to do some steps here. And the first one is to make sure that you have the data cloud that is set up in your organization. And basically to make sure that it is there, you will need to find the cloud setup here. But if you don't find it, it means that you will need to turn on the data cloud. And first, you will need to make sure that you are eligible to have the data cloud, and you can go to your account. And from here, you will need to find if your subscription allows you to use the data cloud and see all the plans. And basically, after that, you will need to turn the data cloud on. And to do so, you will need just to enable the data cloud, and you would find it here in the setup. So we go to setup, you will need just to search for the data cloud and setup, and then you will need just to enable it by clicking on get started. So from here, you just search for data cloud, and basically I don't have it yet, and you will need just to go, and after that you will need just to proceed with the steps, etc. And when you will have it, you can go to the permission sets and search for the cloud admin and make sure that you have the ability to use the generative AI. So basically you will need just to search for a data cloud admin and not this home or integration user. And after that, you will be able to start using the Einstein generative AI. So now you will need just to go to the Einstein setup and you will find it if you have your data cloud that is on. And you will need just to go again to the setup. And after that, you will need just to go to quick find and you will find the Einstein. It will be like the Einstein uh, AI. From there, you can start clicking on get proceed or get started, and you will be able to start setting up the Einstein Trust, and you will turn on the data collection and storage. And after that, you will be able to use in your Einstein. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.